Did you know that the first computer concept dates back to the 19th century with Charles Babbage, an English mathematician and inventor? He designed the analytical engine in the 1830s, which is considered the precursor to modern computers. It used punched cards for input and had the ability to perform arithmetic operations and conditional branching. However, due to funding and technological limitations of the time, the analytical engine was never fully built during Babbage's lifetime. Fast forward to the 20th century, the first practical electronic computer, the ENIAC, was developed during World War II. Since then, computers have evolved tremendously, transitioning from vacuum tubes to transistors, and later integrated circuits. The development of microprocessors in the 1970s led to personal computers, and the rise of the Internet in the 1990s revolutionized global communication. Today, computers have become an integral part of our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers, with ongoing advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and more, shaping our future.